Golden Knight's Immortal Celestial Gold is the ultimate tabletop RPG version of the core game, which mixes social deduction mechanics from almost every popular SD game. Mali Empire, Mansa Musa, and Indigenous Australians are trying to capture a rare gold orb hidden in the deserts of the Sahara. Julius Caesar and the Pacific Island civilizations are trying to stop the Mali Empire, claim the gold, and conquer the world. Meanwhile, the Gupta Empire is trying to stop everyone.
The alliance is sealed. Now, we take the capital.
Build a path to your special gold treasure. Score 30 points by placing flags, use a special power, defeat all other teams, and control a historically related event area to win.
The gold team trades metal for weapons. Phase 2, the green team trades architectural resources for defense. Phase 3, the secret team uses wealth for victory.
The 3 gold goals. Phase 1. There are 3 special gold nuggets above the map board with a civ card on top. Warrior Queen Omni Rhaenys, attack power, path for Australia Africa team. Scholar of Timbuktu, building power, path for Oceanic Europe team. Philosopher Chief Malomi, wealth power, path for Gupta team. You war. Your team must build a 7-card path to your gold nugget plus your team's civ card.
In this expanded edition, there is no moderation phase, so no one knows their team. Initially, 2 flags, gold for Africa, Australia, green for Europe, Pacific, and 1 coin for Gupta are in a bag. Players shake it up, choose one secretly without looking, see what they chose secretly to know their team, return the flag or coin into the bag, and give the bag to the next player until everyone knows their team. Choose gold flag, Australia, Africa team. Choose green flag, Oceanic Europe team. Chose coin, Gupta team.
Take 4 cards from the deck, look at cards, discard 1, and pass the rest. Last card is played face up. In Phase 2, players will instead place a flag. What happens after a battle? If Mali wins, build or block path, get coins, civ, and LL cards plus a gold flag.
Flags equals points plus power. After civ mission path battles, you place flags on each turn on the map in appropriate and pertinent circles rakes.
Place flags in vassal states to gain resources from those you rule over, make alliances with hundreds of historical leaders from African, Eurasian, and Mesoamerican civilizations, build your deck with women in STEM deck to use special powers like werewolves' role-based powers, control trade routes, trade resources, build and destroy fortress to control the map, and control historically related kingdoms to win.
Teams who control all pertinent locale circles and control all adjacent trade routes via team flags in play for their team.
This game allows for extra game scripts where new teams can be customized by players to mirror real-life historical events. For instance, Punic Wars between Carthage and Rome, where each player needs to control a particular city and set of circles on the map. Or Mansa Musa wanting to reach Mecca through Cairo for his legendary pilgrimage, and needing to reach and control the map circles in Cairo and Saudi Arabia. Players will define new cards, teams, goals based on history, including location on the map to control circles, and can share these new scenarios online with others.